Welcome to our Ruizheng, a leading manufacturer of modified motorcycle engine parts. In our state-of-the-art facilities, we combine advanced technology with skilled craftsmanship. Our modified cylinders deliver exceptional performance and durability for any racing or heavy-duty need. We offer custom cylinder blocks and heads, crafted to enhance combustion efficiency and speed. Pistons designed with top-grade materials ensure maximum power and endurance on the road. Our high-performance calipers offer superior stopping power and reliability. Every product undergoes strict quality control to meet the highest industry standards. Precision-engineered camshafts are crafted for smooth, high-powered performance. Trusted by riders and distributors worldwide, we offer reliable support and swift delivery.